Assalamu alaikum, dear students. So, today's topic is what is a threatened species and give classification of threatened species as per IUCN. ठीक है ना। जो हमारा आज का टॉपिक है वो है थ्रेटेंड स्पीशीज किनको कहते हैं हम, और इनकी क्लासिफिकेशन एज पर IUCN कैसे की गई है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द थ्रेटेंड स्पीशीज। थ्रेटेंड स्पीशीज क्या होती है? थ्रेटेंड स्पीशीज जो होते हैं इनको हम ऐसे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। एनी स्पीशीज of wildlife likely to disappear from the world sooner or later is called threatened species. I will repeat again. What are threatened species? These are the species of wildlife likely to disappear from the world sooner or later is called threatened species. The International Union of Conservation of Natural and Natural Resources, that is IUCN, has classified the threatened species of wildlife into three categories. Number first is and IUCN has classified the threatened species of wildlife into three categories for the purpose of the conservation. Number first is the past and present distribution of the species. Number second is the decline in the number of population in course of time. Number three is abundance and quality of natural habitat of the species. Number next is the biology and potential value of the species. I will repeat again. IUCN has classified the threatened species of wildlife into three categories. They are as follows. Number first is past and present distribution of the species, the decline in the number of population in the course of time, abundance and quality of natural habitat of the species, the biology and potential value of the species. ठीक है ना। categories of threatened species are as number first is endangered. What is endangered species? These are the species whose population have decreased or habitats have been reduced to the levels that pose immediate danger of extinction. Their students, their survival is unlikely if the casual factors threatened their existence continues. For example, I will give an example: great Indian bustard, pink-headed duck. These are the examples of the endangered species. Number second is vulnerable species. What are the vulnerable species? This includes the species who are likely to move into the endangered category into the near future, or you can say in the near future. If the casual factors continues to be operating, these are the species whose population have been seriously depleted and whose ultimate security not assured, and also those whose population are still abundant but are under threat throughout their range. And next is rare species. These are the species with small population in the world. They are confined to limited areas or a thinly distributed or a more wide area. They are not at present endangered and vulnerable, but at the risk. For example, species of aesthetic pheasant. What is a threatened species? Number third is next is threatened species. The term threatened is used in the context of the conservation of the species which in any one of the above three categories. These are called the threatened species. So next topic is, what is an endemic species? An endemic species is an animal or plant species whose habitat is restricted to a particular area or species on the globe. I will repeat again. These are the species of animals or plants whose habitat is restricted to a particular area or space on the globe. This general term is used for a range of creatures, including mammal species, reptile species, bird species, and insect species. Generally, an endemic species is a focus point for helping to protect biodiversity in a given environment. For instance, lemur is an endemic species to Madagascar, or orange-breasted sunbird to Phinobos. Physical climate conditions and biological factors play a role in endemic plant species. It is therefore a matter of prime importance to safeguard the species that are branded endemic, since they are not just rare but also rare in numbers as compared to the rest. Nevertheless, they play an important role in the ecological system and therefore their importance cannot be denied. Thanks to all of the students. तो यहाँ ही हम कंक्लूड करेंगे आज। इंशाल्लाह कल हम दूसरा टॉपिक लेंगे। खुदा हाफिज।